Hey everyone, it's your man Paul Hanna here, and today I'm going to show you how to censor swear words from any video. For example, my favorite one is going to be that it was at this moment that he knew. And since it has the F word in it, I'm going to put color bars in it so you won't hear the word. And now I got to find out where I can put it. So here's what you need to do. If you're on Want to Share Filmora, you need to know how to do this. Here, let me play the video.
It was at this moment that he knew.
But I'm not going to play the swear word because I don't want this video to get age restricted. So guess what I have to do? I have to block the swear word and replace it with the color bar sound. Here, I'll show you. Now, and this video includes only static and color bars, but I only want color bars. So we need to trim the static and remove this, and we only need the color bar sound. Let's see how it sounds so far.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Well, at least it only has the F pronunciation. Well, what if you want to remove the whole word? This is what you have to do. Alright, so this is what you have to do. And now you won't hear the word alone.
He f***ed up.
There you go. That's how you censor swear words. This is your boy, Paul Hanna, signing off.